Hello students. Yesterday I had explained you the lesson The Storm in the Garden. I also explained you new words, words with meaning and make a sentence. Okay, so in today's English session we will do question answer of the same lesson and then we will do exercise and then we will also know about some cursive words. Okay, so these all things you see all videos properly and try to understand all these things. Okay student, so let's start our today's English session. Students, let's do question answer of the lesson Storm in the Garden. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Who was Sunnu Sunnu? Answer 1. Sunnu Sunnu was a snail. Right? You all know. Who was Sunnu Sunnu? Sunnu Sunnu was a snail. Question 2. Who was Sunnu Sunnu visiting? Sunnu Sunnu visited to whom? Sunnu Sunnu was visiting his friends ants. Right? Sunnu Sunnu was visiting his friends ants. Question 3. Where were the ants hiding? Where were the ants hiding? Where were the ants hiding? Where they heard thunder? The ants were hiding under a flower pot. Right? The ants were hiding under a flower pot. Flower pot के नीचे वो ant सब hide हो गई. Question 4. Did Sunnu Sunnu get wet? Sunnu Sunnu got wet. Why didn't he? Why he didn't get wet? Sunnu Sunnu did not get wet. Right? Why? Because he hid himself under shell. Right? But here we have questions only. Did Sunnu Sunnu get wet? So we will answer only like this. Sunnu Sunnu did not get wet. Okay, so write down these 4 question answer in your English prose notebook. Students, open your English textbook, page number 66, exercise Let's Write. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Pick the right word from the box. Here some pictures are given with some blanks and here in blue box some words are given. We have to fill up all these blank with these given words. Now see which words are these? In, on, under, behind, over. Right? So these all words are what? We have already learned preposition. Correct. So now let's read one by one blank and you also think which answer should be there. The cat is jumping blank the wall. The cat is jumping over the wall. Right? The cat is jumping over the wall. Without touching the cat is jumping. So the cat is jumping over the wall. The cat is blank the box. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. The cat is blank the door. Where is the cat? The cat is behind the door. Behind the door. Right? If you want to cut, you can cut these words. Over, in, and behind. Okay, now see, where is the cat? The cat is blank the stool. Correct. Under. So we will write here under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. So here also cut the word under. And last, the cat is blank the suitcase. Where is the cat? The cat is on the suitcase. The cat is on the suitcase. Very good. So these are some blanks. Students, see here on page number 68 some cursive words are given, right? So you have to trace all these cursive words here in textbook only. Like this, trace all these cursive words so that you can know how to write properly. Okay? So very nicely trace all these words. Which words are these? Rain, tree, coat, sheep, field and play. So in homework you have to trace all these cursive words properly in textbook only. Both exercise, these cursive words and this preposition, these both exercise you have to complete in textbook only, not in notebook.